Hey YouTube. Yes, Douglas Blizzard. I've ever seen before in my life. I get about 96. That's waste. This is my friend, the Blizzard of forever. This is in front of my house. I am 42 years old. And in my 30 years, I've never seen a snow blizzard like this in 30 years. Watch out, Tom. Let me show him a little bit. By the way, this is my little Cavalier. This is my little mint Honda Civic that I've been stuck with since about a month. This is my street that I'm on. This is my street corner. This is the next street over. Look right at my knee. Look at it. That's stupid. My knee. This is the worst snow I've ever seen in my entire life. By the way, that's my Honda Odyssey, First Street. Got a whole bunch of cars, but broke. This is a pretty messed up situation here. We're snowbounded. Now we're going to the store to buy some food in the house. I'm walking in the snow. Hope I don't fall in it. Because if I fall in it, nobody will ever find me. By the way, that's my driveway. That's my little caravan back there. And in the middle of that little bump used to be a '98 Corvette. But that's no longer there no more. Just gonna walk in and show you the snow that was digged out by people that I paid to do this. This is the snow. This is trouble. This is the snow we're in. That's our Corvette. We'll see it probably sometime in June or July. Yeah, I give it back to you now. Okay. Alright, turn this off.